Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on this channel, welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make onion oil for hair growth. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and also subscribe to this channel. So let's get right into the video. So first you're going to need onion. I'm just using half of the onion because I don't want to do too much of the oil. And I'm going to cut the onion into small pieces. So you're going to peel out the unwanted parts on the onion. So the thing is that onion has amazing benefits. It's good for hair loss. That's like one of the main benefits of using onion. So now you're going to cut the onion into small pieces. Now you're going to add the onions that you cut earlier into the blender and add your oil. I'm using olive oil, but you can use any oil of your choice, but for this mixture I'm using olive oil. So now we're going to cover the blender and then you're going to blend both mixtures together and make sure it blends really well. So now you're going to add the mixture into a frying pan and you're going to stir. Then you're going to add a spoon of fenugreek. So we're going to add a little bit of fenugreek into this mixture and we're going to stir both mixtures together. Make sure you continue stirring the mixture till the oil dissolves. So I'm going to let it fry for about 10 to 15 minutes, so nothing more than 15 minutes. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'm just going to be stirring it like along the way also as I am frying the both mixtures together. So this is how the oil looks like, and I'm going to let it sit for about 30 minutes. I'm just going to let it cool down for about 30 minutes. So now I'm going to get a bowl, and you're going to add your strainer on top of the bowl, and I'm going to transfer the mixture into the strainer so that it can strain out all of the oils that we need, because that's exactly what we need, just the oils. So now I'm straining out all of the oils from the strainer. So this is how the oil looks like, and I'm going to transfer the oil into that bottle. So now I'm transferring the oil into the bottle. Yeah, it's quite messy. So now I've transferred the oil into the bottle, and what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be showing you how I apply the oil to my hair. So keep on watching. So my hair is already washed, deep conditioned after applying my onion juice. Or you can check out the video on how I made the onion juice by clicking on the video up on the screen. So you can see I've already applied leave-in conditioner, and I've decided to put my hair in a bantu knot, and now I'm going to be applying the oil to my scalp. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm just going to be applying the oil all around my scalp. So make sure when you're applying the oil to your scalp, make sure you're also applying the oil to your edges. Very important. Make sure you're massaging the oil around your scalp and also your edges. Very important. So guys, that is all in today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video by giving it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe. You can check out my other videos if you're not convinced. And bye, see you guys next time.